Okay, so I baked a loaf of bread the other day, but it had a big hole going down the center, so I couldn't do sandwiches with it. So I broke it up, I allowed it to get stale a little bit, and now we're gonna make some bread pudding. Gonna butter my container. About half a cup of cream, half a cup of sugar, cinnamon, half a teaspoon, nutmeg, quarter teaspoon, and cardamom, 1 teaspoon. So while that's soaking, preheat to 350. When the preheat is ready, I'm going to sprinkle with cinnamon and brown sugar on top and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, that's after 45 minutes. I've got some colored almonds here that I want to put in. So I'll put this back in the oven. I'll keep an eye on it, but I'll set the timer for 15 minutes. Just so the almonds can get crispy a bit. Okay, after 10 minutes with the almonds. Okay, we let it cool and then we will slice it. It's cooled. Okay, some people put syrup or custard. I'm going to serve this with ice cream, but I just want to do a taste test. See the texture. There's the golden raisins.